In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Notion with Smartsheet using Zapier. By following these steps, you will successfully connect these two applications to automate your workflow. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to Zapier.com. This is the platform where you will create the integration between Notion and Smartsheet. Once the page loads, you should see the Zapier homepage with various options for creating automations. Next, locate and click on the Create button, typically found in the upper left corner of the screen. This will direct you to a new page where you can start building a new Zap, which is what Zapier calls its automated workflows. After that, find and select the Zaps option in the sidebar. This will take you to your dashboard where you can manage existing Zaps or create a new one. Look for the option to create a new Zap if you are not redirected automatically. Once this appears, click on the Copilot option to access the guided setup for creating your integration. This feature will help streamline the process and provide helpful prompts along the way. At this stage, type in highlight in the provided input field. This will help you specify the type of integration you wish to create, ensuring that you are setting up the correct workflow. Continue by clicking on the Start Building button. This action will take you to the main Zap editor where you can configure the specific details of your integration. Now, click on Notion to select it as the application you want to integrate with Smartsheet. This action will prompt you to set up the connection with your Notion account. After selecting Notion, proceed to click on the Setup option. This will allow you to configure the settings for how Notion will interact with Smartsheet. Next, click on Trigger Event to specify the event in Notion that will initiate the integration. This is a crucial step as it defines when the automation will be triggered. Following that, select New Data Source Item as the trigger event. This tells Zapier that the integration will activate when a new item is added in Notion. Repeat the previous step by selecting New Data Source Item once more. This ensures that you are setting up the integration to respond to the specific data source you want to monitor. Then click on Smartsheet to choose it as the destination application for your integration. This will allow you to set up how data from Notion will be sent to Smartsheet. Next, click on Action Event to define what action Smartsheet will take when the integration is triggered. This is where you specify how Smartsheet will respond to new data from Notion. Select Add Row to Sheet as the action event. This indicates that you want new data from Notion to be added as a new row in your Smartsheet. Again, click on Add Row to Sheet to confirm this action. This duplication ensures clarity in the integration setup and confirms the action that Smartsheet will take. Now click on Account to manage your account settings. This will allow you to link your Smartsheet account to Zapier for the integration to function correctly. Finally, click on Connect Smartsheet to authorize Zapier to access your Smartsheet account. This step is essential for completing the integration process and ensuring that the data can flow between the two applications. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.